harpy eagle is the biggest eagle from America and one of the 4 bigger species of eagles in the world. There are 2 meters high from the end of the left wing to the end of the right wing. They weigh 7 kilos when they are adults. They can live longer than 4 years old. Their tail is large, and it uses to avoid branches and trunks. Their claw can kill a big human. They are dangerous birds. They live on animals such as monkeys, sloths, coatis, birds, green iguanas, and snakes. They live in the Amazon region of Ecuador.
The Syrian hamster, also known as golden hamster, tabir or common hamster, is probably the most popular hamster species as pets. The Syrian hamster originates in the Middle East, especially Israel and Syria. They are solitary animals and should be housed alone. The Syrian hamster usually measures about 13 centimeters in length, although some may be a little longer. The females are bigger than the males. They are robust animals with large eyes, tulip-shaped ears, and a very short tail. For small creatures like the Syrian hamsters, many diseases are potentially serious. Syrian hamsters are omnivores. In nature, their diet consists of herbs, seeds, and occasional insects. Syrian hamsters should never be given citrus fruits because they are too acidic, but they can give to a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. Syrian hamsters live about 2 years on average.
A shot in the dark, a past, lost in space. Where do I start? The past.
The Siberian Husky is an incredible dog. This dog is the most similar to the wolf. The average husky is 50 to 60 centimeters high and weighs between 20 and 28 kilograms. The Siberian Husky lived for about 10 to 12 years and it's originally from northern Siberia. It's known like sled dog, also by its nature loves snow. Its food is based on chicken, pork, vegetables, but nowadays most people feed their pets with croquettes. It's a very funny pet. It's independent and a little disobedient. It's an animal used to living in group and can't stand loneliness.